benefits of calisthenics versus weightlifting isn't about picking a winner. It's about understanding how both training styles help you grow stronger. Some people love bodyweight movement, others prefer lifting weights, and many use both. That combination often creates balanced results. Calisthenics uses your own body as resistance. Push-ups, pull-ups, squats, and planks require no machines or heavy equipment. You can do them at home, in a park, or while traveling. That convenience is one of the biggest advantages. You don't need a gym membership or expensive gear, just space and consistency. This makes calisthenics highly accessible. Beyond convenience, calisthenics builds functional strength. This means strength that transfers to everyday movements. Think about lifting groceries, climbing stairs, or supporting your body in different positions. Body weight exercises teach muscles to work together. A pull-up engages your back, arms, and core at the same time. That coordination helps movement feel natural and efficient. Calisthenics also improves mobility and body control. Many movements require full ranges of motion, encouraging flexibility and joint health. It is about moving well and maintaining freedom of movement while building strength. Not extreme flexibility, not advanced skills, just functional movement that supports your body. Weightlifting works in a different but equally powerful way. Using external weights allows progressive overload. Progressive overload means gradually increasing resistance, so muscles adapt and grow stronger over time. If you want measurable strength gains, lifting heavier weights in small steps is effective. Weightlifting also allows targeted muscle development. If you want to focus on specific areas, weights provide precision. A bicep curl isolates the biceps. A bench press emphasizes the chest and triceps. This control helps muscle growth. Resistance training also supports bone health by stressing bones in a controlled way. This encourages stronger bone density and supports long-term movement. Strong bones reduce injury risk, especially as we age and want to stay active. Calisthenics emphasizes functional strength and mobility. It trains the body to move as a unit for real-world demands. Weightlifting excels at progressive overload and targeted growth. It allows resistance to increase in small, measurable steps. One method isn't better in every situation. They simply offer different benefits, depending on your goals and preferences. If you like training anywhere and developing body control, calisthenics might feel natural and motivating. If you enjoy structured progression and muscle building, weightlifting could fit your routine better. Many athletes combine both, body weight movements for functional strength, and weights for hypertrophy and power. For example, pull-ups and push-ups on one day, weighted squats and presses on another. This variety builds well-rounded fitness. Fitness doesn't need to be complicated. The best training is the one you can stick with and enjoy consistently. Improvement comes from challenge and progression. More reps, better form, or slightly heavier weights over time. Small steps add up. Strength, mobility, and health improve when you train with purpose and consistency. Both calisthenics and weightlifting can make you stronger and healthier. The choice depends on your lifestyle and goals. If you want to learn more about strength and practical training ideas, exploring additional resources can help. Understanding different methods lets you make informed choices and build a routine that fits your life. If you found this helpful and want more content about strength and practical training ideas, consider subscribing. I share insights that help you train smarter and stay motivated.